Imagine your voice earning money while you sleep. I mean, not in a dream, but literally.
Yeah, it sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But it's actually happening right now.
Right. We've been looking into some really interesting sources, platform guides, articles, expert opinions, all about the surprising idea, licensing your voice for AI.
As a potential income stream, yeah.
And this deep dive, well, it's for you listening right now. We want to unpack how this actually works today.
And maybe why the timing, could be pretty good to explore it.
Okay, so the core idea, the thing we saw everywhere in the sources, is that human voice data, it's become really valuable.
Mm-hmm. Like digital gold, some called it.
Digital gold.
Yeah.
So why now? What's driving this demand?
Well, it's basically the explosion of AI tools. Think about all these tools that need to talk.
Right, like chatbots, narrator.
Exactly. Conversational AI, game characters, e-learning stuff, even those digital assistants companies use, they all need voices.
And they need lots of different kinds of voices, right? That was a big point in the sources.
Definitely. It's not just like the perfect radio announcer voice they're after.
So you don't need to be a professional voice actor.
Not necessarily. They need diversity. Accents, dialects, different tones, maybe even that, slightly quirky way you speak.
So my everyday voice could actually be valuable.
Potentially, yeah. The sources emphasize you just need to be relatively clear and, well, unique. It's about feeding the AI data.
Data to make the AI sound more natural, richer.
Exactly. A wider range of synthetic speech possibilities.
Okay, so how does it work for, an individual person listening right now?
Well, the sources mention specific platforms popping up. Names like 11 Labs, Resemble.ai, WellSaid Labs came up.
Right.
And on these sites, you can typically submit voice samples.
Just recordings of me speaking.
Yeah, usually following their guidelines. And if your voice profile fits what someone needs, you could get into a licensing agreement.
So you're giving permission for them to use your voice data?
Essentially, yes.
Yeah.
For training AI models or generating synthetic speech that sounds like you.
What kind of uses did the sources mention? Like real examples?
Oh, all sorts. Your voice might end up narrating some AI-written training video, maybe.
Okay.
Or being the voice of a character in a game like a pirate or an elf,
Oh, okay.
Or even just like the voice guiding someone through tech support steps via an AI chatbot. Could be AI bedtime stories, too.
Wow. Okay, so there's opportunity, but what's the catch? It sounds like a new field.
It is young, yeah.
Yeah.
And the sources did point out some smart things to consider, like getting in early might mean better deals.
Makes sense.
One big piece of advice was recording a really clean demo. Good quality audio, minimal background noise that's apparently crucial.
Right, so invest in a decent microphone, maybe.
Could be smart. And another huge point, understand the usage terms.
Yeah.
Really read the contract.
The control aspect. Can you limit how your voice is used?
Increasingly, yes. The sources highlighted platforms that let you specify. So you could say, no political rants or no cringe pickup lines using my voice.
Okay, that's important. Privacy matters.
Definitely. And some sources even talked about building your own voice brand, or maybe even training and licensing out your own specific AI voice clone eventually.
Interesting. And just to be clear, this isn't the same as voice acting, right?
Correct. The sources make that distinction. You're not performing a script in the traditional sense.
Yeah.
You're licensing the data of your voice's sound profile.
Got it. Okay, so summing this up, it seems like your voice, just your regular voice, could actually hold real value now.
Yeah, in this whole AI landscape, it's become a potential asset.
So this isn't just like future tech speculation.
No, it seems to be a present opportunity. You could potentially get paid just for sounding like, well, you.
Yeah.
By licensing that sound for AI.
Okay, so here's something to think about then as we wrap up. In a world where machines are getting better and better at sounding human, what is the unique value of our actual individual human voices? And, how might licensing them like this change how we even feel about our own sound?
That's a deep question.
Yeah.
Something to definitely mull over as this whole field keeps evolving.